All-time high for Nike today, and also two new bullish price target increases. Morgan Stanley and Cowen both raising their targets to $165. It's our call of the day. Stephanie Link owns Nike, loves Nike, hasn't taken any profits in Nike, right?
Haven't taken any profits in Nike. I mean, it's up 30% year to date. I could, but and it's not cheap. But it's a quality compounder. They have terrific products. They have a global footprint. They have a great balance sheet so that they can invest in innovation and in technology and the supply chain. And they're just kicking everybody's butt. So I don't really want to sell that at this point. I also think the next leg to the story is DTC and them increasing that. And that's going to be margin accretive. So you'll see operating leverage. So I'm going to stick with it, stay patient with it, and just hope that they can continue to execute like they have been.
Yeah, I mean, you echo, what Morgan Stanley's saying, too, about the DTC, digital transformation. That's a big crux of the story. Maybe pulled forward a bit out of necessity because of the pandemic, but a huge growth opportunity, right?
It is. It's 30% of total revenues, but the margins are 10% higher than a brick and mortar store, if you will. So that's why it's so accretive. If they just got that to 40%, 50%, you're looking at something like $6, $7 of earnings power to this company. So you just don't want to get off that. Not at these levels. I think there's more to go.
Forward PE 45? Is that high for you?
I know. It's very high. It's very high.
I had to do a double take. I did a double take because I was like, is that right? 45 and a half? But there it is.
I know.
Forward PE, 45.
It is. But that's why I say let's look at earnings power. Let's not look at just next year's earnings, because next year's earnings are much lower than that. If they actually can realize a lot of market share growth in DTC, then you will have $6, $7 of earnings power, and it's not nearly as expensive. By the way, I feel the same way about Costco, and I actually did trim some Costco because that stock is also trading at near highs, and it's also very expensive. But I want to pick my battles here, and these are not battles that I need to fight. These are winners. I have to focus on the other ones that are more project stories, if you will. These are not project stories.
The GEs, the Wells Fargos.
Yeah, right.
Are you talking about those?
Yes.
I figured.
I might be.
Okay.